Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. For today's video, I have this easy soft glam makeup tutorial. Do like this video, subscribe and share my content. So I'm starting off with my brows and just slightly filling it in as usual. And I'm using Davis pencil. It's a very random pencil, very easy to find. I'm just lightly filling in my brows. Using my concealer and a tapered small brush, I am just cleaning up beneath my brows, clean up any mess and define my brows even more. Using my eyebrow brush or spoolie, I am just blending in my brows even more. I also use a brow gel to further keep hairs in place and to create a more natural finish. I was going to do my eyes first, hence me placing concealer over my lid and just blending it out, but I changed my mind. Onto my face, I'm using Pond's Cream as my primer. Using V Beauty Primer Foundation in Warm Nude. Of course, blend it all out. I use very little for my forehead. Using UV Beauty Concealer as my liquid highlight. This concealer applies smoothly and blends in so well. And this is me just vibing to some good music playing in the background while I was filming. Oh yeah. Using the Beauty by AD Loose Setting Powder in Lucent to set highlighted areas and my lid. Using Adventure Makeup Buttercup Powder to bake a bit. Next is eyes, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill X Mauve palette. Tapping off excess from my brush, I'm just applying that very light brown shade all over my lid. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, and I've already hit pan with most of the earth tones or warm tones. They're my favorite shades to use. Still blending all over, making sure it's even. I'll be using this very pretty highlight shade from my Huda Beauty highlighter palette on my eyelids. This is also a fave palette. I have used it over and over again. I've hit pan already. And this is a very pretty gold shade. Just using it as my eyeshadow on my eyelids. Just has the right amount of shimmer and gold in it. I'm using a dense blending brush to pack it onto my lid by using a pressing on motion. Back with my fluffy blending brush to blend out the edges. Using this warmer earth tone shade, I will be applying it to the outer corners and crease of my eyelids. Tap out excess and just apply very light-handedly. This will create some depth and warmth on your eyelids. Applying same warm shade below my lash line. Using my Alley Cosmetics angled brush, I will be going in with that very warm brown shade and creating a soft eyeliner look instead of using black or an actual eyeliner. This helps create or gives a softer eyeliner look. Since I'm using a powdery product to create a quick wing, I just picked up some paper, folded it and placed it on my lids, and voila, there you have it. You're welcome. And I'm just vibing to some music in the background again. Yep, pretty much. on to the next eye. See the difference between the winged side and the non-winged side? I will be using the paper method for the other eye as well. Using my concealer to clean up and also create a sharper line. Just buffing off the setting powder. Next is my lashes. So just concealing any glue picking out. Using same brown shades, applying it below my waterline. And just applying mascara to my bottom lashes. And light contour as I would with a darker shade face powder. Very lightly I do this. About to add some glow to my face using the Huda Beauty highlighter palette. And just buffing off and blending everything together. Doing a nude lip. So I'm lining my lips with a brown pencil. This pencil is very soft and non-drying. I believe this is from Usher's. I've had it for quite some time now. Using Jordana Cosmetics Bullet Lipstick in Natural. This is a matte shade, and this nude shade I feel complements my skin tone very well. So I love it. I've used more than one of this lipstick ever since I knew it. Just going back in with my lip pencil, making sure everything is nice and well blended in. And that's the finished look. I hope you love it and you learned something, so go create yours. This is absolutely one of my favorite makeup looks to have on because I genuinely feel it is universal. It could work for any event, be it a wedding, even a bride can actually rock this, or a dinner, even going to the office. You can always make this look your own by adding or removing any of the steps. So go create and have fun with it. Do subscribe to my channel, also like and share this video. Till my next one, stay safe and stay blessed.